Do you want this lead?
I draw me with my Wales kit.
No, I'm not going to say that. Do it again.
Don't laugh, coach, you up next.
Set. Good boy. When I grow up, I want to be a football player and I want to play for Wales because I support them. When I grow up, I want to be a vet. I really love animals and it upsets me when I see animals when they're in danger or pain. Rio, he's my 8-year-old black lab. Me with the ball and I'm on the pitch. I want to play football for Wales.
I feel like it's important to let children know that they can do anything they want to do. They should always believe in themselves.
Allowing your children to know that you're there and you're supporting them. I think now more than ever, children just need to feel appreciated and comfortable.
I feel like I've always been so lucky in school with my teachers. They were always supportive and encouraging.
Supporting effort rather than success, which is something that I do with my own daughter.
No matter their background, they can achieve whatever they want to achieve in life.
Education, play your part.
To be the best you can be.